Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. In just 2 minutes, plain and dull information can be turned into engaging, visually detailed mind maps. By using the power of Gemini together with NotebookLM, you can quickly organize complex ideas into clear visual structures. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process step by step. You might already know that NotebookLM has a built-in feature for creating mind maps, but when you combine it with Gemini, the results become far more powerful and visually appealing. Let's be honest, the mind maps created by NotebookLM often look pretty plain and not very engaging. But the good news is that there are 3 simple methods that can transform those basic maps into visually appealing and share-worthy mind maps. Method A. First, imagine you have a notebook with several sources about impact of social media on youth in your research hub. Normally, if you want to create a mind map, you would simply click the Mind Map option, and NotebookLM would automatically choose a topic and generate one for you. However, if you wanted to share it, you would need to open each node individually and expand them one by one before downloading the image. This can be slow and time-consuming. Instead, we'll follow the same steps to generate the initial mind map, but we won't stop at NotebookLM's basic version. We'll use Gemini to enhance it and make it visually richer. Go to Gemini, click the plus icon, and upload the image of the mind map generated by NotebookLM. Then provide a prompt asking Gemini to recreate the mind map using the uploaded image as a reference, while adding multiple nodes, visual icons for each node, and short explanations that describe how the ideas connect. Before generating the result, make sure the image creation option and thinking mode are enabled. After a few seconds, Gemini will produce a new, visually enhanced mind map where every node includes an icon and a brief description explaining its connection to the overall topic. And just like that, you now have a professional-looking mind map ready to share. If the first version isn't perfect, you can simply request edits or regenerate it.
But what if you don't have a notebook filled with sources yet? In that case, you can still create a mind map by using Gemini on its own. Start a new conversation in Gemini and ask it to research the topic climate change for your audience in Research Hub. After Gemini generates a research summary about the topic, run another prompt asking it to transform its previous response into a visual mind map with images, connected nodes, and short explanations for each point. In just a few seconds, Gemini will create a complete mind map outlining the causes, impacts, and major aspects of climate change. However, there is one limitation. Because the content is generated entirely by AI, there is always a small possibility of minor inaccuracies or AI hallucinations, so it's a good idea to review the information before using it.
Method C. The third method is often the most reliable because it combines both tools while allowing you to control the sources. In Gemini, enable image generation and thinking mode just like before, but this time, instead of uploading an image, click the plus icon and connect your NotebookLM notebook directly. Select the notebook from your research hub, add it to Gemini, and then provide a prompt asking it to generate a mind map specifically about impact of social media on youth. The advantage here is that you can define the exact focus of the mind map, rather than letting the AI randomly choose the topic. Since the notebook already contains your verified sources, the result is more accurate and research-based. In the end, you get a detailed mind map with rich visuals, structured nodes, and clear explanations, perfectly aligned with your research topic. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub.